So I know nothing about like mechanical keyboards, even though, you know, I code a lot, but all I know is like, for me, using something like this for the first time, it's, I'm trying not to overhype it, but it just feels like I've been missing something with every keyboard I've ever used. So this is the KiiBOOM, or if it's like we, you know, W-I-I, it's K-I-I, so KiiBOOM. That makes sense, key. But anyhow, like, the sound of it is absolutely crazy. And the weight is like, if you drop this on your toe, you like, there's a good chance you're gonna break your toe. It's like solid, beautiful. Like it uses a lot of like jargon about south facing RGB or kind of stuff like that. And like, I'm not familiar with the jargon, and you'll have to bear with me. I'm on like 48 hours awake straight, so I'm looking very forward to going to bed. But they're hot swappable. I'm not sure what type of, you know, switch they are. I did look, you know, through the Amazon post, but I'll put a link in the description below. This is like in Canada, it's like 300 bucks, and they got this color here, and then they also have like a darker with green. But like this part is like this dial. It's hooked up to this beautiful LG like WebOS TV. If my camera can focus, is like, if you do the dial, I'll just try to zoom in on that a bit. Come on. Right, if I do that, not sure where it is, but it does the volume. But I guess there's no volume in this like thing now. But yeah, like I did when I first did it, I saw it going up and down. And like here, this is just like and this is another weird experience where I haven't really experienced LG WebOS. And there we go. So here, let's zoom in on that a bit. Like, just listen, look at this, like it's unreal. HTTPS, then we're gonna say let's see if a Blazor WebAssembly Azure Static Web App works on WebOS. It's like one thing I haven't tested with that, but I think that's it. Just like a joy to type. Yeah, and it takes a long time. WebAssembly, you know, that's not a keyboard thing. That's not a TV thing. That's a technology thing. And I think this site's using like .NET 6, but I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't work. This would be a first. So definitely something doesn't work with WebAssembly, but that's good to know on WebOS. But yeah, it's beautiful to use, this keyboard. And this caps lock's on, I guess. Man, just listen to that. Yeah, I just wanted to share how much I think this is amazing. Kind of making me want to upgrade my keyboard. Yeah. Anyhow, guys, hope you enjoyed taking a look at a amazing mechanical keyboard that's high-end. KiiBOOM, and see you guys next time.